Not a man, not a woman. Their stories have a lot more to tell, and when it is told, we say, what the hell? Discriminate, why do we when they look just like me? Born with similar hands, similar eyes, but one defect. How reserved they become with its effect. Why do the parents abandon them at an age too early? Is it because they tally with the society barely? Their hearts twinge to see themselves disowned when tears surrender for a shriller moan. Their sufferings begin at the traffic, so by night they could gather prolific. They are even found in trains with wondrous claps, but agony drained. Have you noticed them closely with Persony 113 moonless night lipstick found solely? Have you looked into their sharpened eyes outlined with kajal which conceal a tale of demise? Ever gazed at their colorful bindi or creased sari through which a pride they carry? How cruel is the patriarchy, we treat them as we are still in tyrant monarchy. They sell their bodies at times and shameless, we call them every time. Krishna became Mohini for Iravan his maid, but to Krishna, do we really hate? Eunuchs will be born, their names will be written in the golden plates, and their houses will be built in the garden of heaven. Chapter Luke, the Holy Bible, but how often it is libel. We curse them because they do not have a womb to carry a child or get disgust seeing their nature, which we think is wild. We despise them because they do not act like a man, incapable of what we can. We certainly cannot estimate an iota of their grief, but giving them an identity, we can make them relief. Do you have the audacity to spend a day like their dilapidated life? Even this thought can cut you deeper than a knife. When can we bring out humanity from humans to respect who is greater than men and women? There is Jyoti Mondal, first transgender to be the judge, who overcame life once must. Lakshmi Tripathi represented India at UN and everywhere, but we talk of her nowhere. Their toil and endeavors are the only songs we must sing. They are not hijras, but human beings.